Introduction. The art of plating involves presenting food on a dish in an appealing way, since it not only improves the dish's aesthetic appeal but also has an impact on the taste and entire dining experience. We will examine the world of food plating in this lecture, including its definition, significance, guiding principles, resources, and methods. You will have a better knowledge of why food plating matters and how to. What is food plating? Food plating involves arranging food on a plate in a way that is aesthetically pleasing. It entails taking into account elements like color, texture, shape, and size to create a pleasing and well dining experience. Videos and images that serve as visual aids can help explain the idea of food plating. The audience can